Hey, let's talk about identifying linear, quadratic, and exponential functions if you're just looking at a table. This is actually pretty cool. We've studied these kinds of functions, so if you don't remember, when we have linear functions, they make lines on a graph. When we have quadratic, hopefully that's fresh in your mind, they make parabolas. And then exponential functions make this exponential growth curve like that. That's where we have x is the exponent. How we can identify this is pretty nifty. What we're going to do is, I'm going to start with function 3 here on the end. We just start going up like this, and we do 3 minus 1 is 2, and then oddly 1 minus 3 is negative 2, and then 3 minus 9 is negative 6, and then 9 minus 19 is negative 10, and those numbers are all different, so we don't do anything at this point. We just repeat the process. 2 minus a negative 2, you might want to use a calculator so you don't make funny mistakes. That's 4. Negative 2 minus negative 6 is a positive 4, and negative 6 minus negative 10 is also a positive 4. And so we notice that we have a constant number on the second try. Okay, not the first try, but the second try. The second try is going to represent a quadratic situation. That means we're going to have something that has x to the second power. Okay, in the second one, notice that we have 49 minus 38 is what? 11. And then we have 38 minus 29 is 9. And then we have 29 minus 22 is 7. And we have 22 minus 17 is 5. And this is nice, but it's not the same number, right? So we are going to do this again. 11 minus 9 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2, and 7 minus 5 is 2. And we have the same number again on the second time, so that's going to be quadratic. Spoiler alert, if you get it on the first time, it is linear. All right, so this one, however, if we start doing our subtractions, we'll find that it doesn't work out on the first time or the second time. I'm going to save us the trouble of doing that by just telling you that. If you're not getting a constant number, what you're going to do is you're going to check to see if you have a constant ratio. So instead of subtracting, we're going to divide. 12 divided by 24, 12 over 24 is 1/2. 24 over 48 is 1/2. 48 over 96 is 1/2. And 96 over 192 is probably 1/2, although I'm kind of assuming that at this point. This means that it is neither linear nor quadratic, because both linear and quadratic are going to give us constant numbers when we are subtracting. But here we are dividing, and so therefore we have a ratio, and this is going to be exponential. So those are the three that we're covering right now, and that's how to tell the difference.